Welcome to Pharmacy Prep. For effective communication skills in healthcare, using appropriate language, that language that helps to understand patient effectively, the information that is provided by the healthcare providers are the most important in communication skills. So here, this video is about using appropriate language and also mastering communication skills for your practical exams such as OSCE and also OSPE exams. So here, to subscribe OSCE and OSPE prep courses, please scan QR code or log in at pharmacyprep.com or subscribe Pharmacy Prep channels for more details. So let's start. Abdomen. Use stomach or belly or tummy. Acute. Sudden. Sudden start or quick start. Adequate. Enough or right amount. Administer. Give. Adverse event. Bad reaction. Aerobic. Need oxygen or in presence of oxygen. Aerobic exercise. Slow and steady exercise like walking or running, biking, swimming, etc. Aerosol. Spray or mist. Aggravate. Makes worst. Airways. Use as a windpipes. Allergens. Something like pollen results in sneezing or rash, which is because of exposure of allergens. Allergic. Body reaction to allergens and or drugs, etc. Alopecia. Use hair loss or balding. Alveoli. Tiny air sacs in the lung. Ambulatory. Can walk or mobile. So having these lay language words can be very effective in understanding patients. So we have more exciting words. Listen complete video to find more details now. Amend. Change. Amnesia. Memory loss. Analgesic. Painkiller. Anaerobic. Lack of oxygen. Anaphylaxis. Shock, sudden or severe allergic reaction, or that can result into stop breathing. Anemia. Low iron or symptoms can be tired. Antibodies. Cells that fight infection in our body. Antigens. Antigens can be germs, bacteria, viruses, or proteins. Antitussives. Cough suppressants. Anti-inflammatory. Use the drugs that reduce the swelling or pain. Anxiety. Fear or excessive worry. Apply. Put on or use. Appropriate. A good fit. Arthritis. Pain in joints. Asthma. Breathing disease. Asymptomatic. Someone who is sick but does not feel or have no appear symptoms are not seen. Atherosclerosis. Hardening of the arteries or blood vessels. Attack. Sudden start. Autism. Illness that make it hard for someone to talk to other people, or a type of mental disorder syndrome or CNS syndrome. Autoimmune disease. A disease that makes your body attack itself. Avian flu. Bird flu. A wide do not, or also officially, I can say contraindicated. However, the lay language avoid or do not is more appropriate. B cells, disease fighting cells, bacteria, germs, behavior modification, developing new habits or stopping bad habits. Benign, not a danger or not a harmful. Beverage, drink. Bilateral, both sides. BMI or body mass index, measure of body fat based on height and body weight. Bone marrow, inside bone where blood cells are made or formed. Brachial neuritis, swelling of the nerves in arms. Breakthrough infection, getting infection even though you have taken vaccine for it. Bronchodilators, drug that helps you to breathe easier. Bronchospasm, tightening of the airways. Carcinogen, cancer-causing substance. Cardiovascular, having to do with heart or blood vessels. Cartilage, the smooth covering on the end of the bones. Cataract, clouding of the eye that makes harder to see. Cauterize, to burn a piece of skin or tissue, usually to stop bleeding. Seize, stop or quit. Cerebrovascular disease, stroke, a great example of cerebrovascular. However, can be more than this. Cervix, lower part of uterus. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, in short, COPD. Lung disease, also another name for COPD, can be emphysema. Chronic, long-term conditions. Circulation, blood flow. Coagulate, clot formation. Cognizant, aware or know about it. Colic, baby with upset tummy or stomach pain. Commence, start or begin. Communicable, can spread to others or can catch to others. Compensate, make up. Comply, follow or obey. Condition, medical problem or disease. Congenital, inborn or born with. Conjunctivitis, simple words can be red eye or pink eye. Contraceptive, simple word can be birth control pills if it is a pills. Contraindication, dangerous to give or do not use it. Contusion, bruise. Convulsions, seizure. Corroborate, confirm or agree with. Coronary heart disease, simply you can say heart disease. Crohn's disease, digestive tract disease. Cure, heal or completely feel better. Cutaneous, skin. Cystitis, urinary bladder infection. Dander, flakes of the skin. Diseased, dead. Decrease, lower or cut back. Deficiency, lack of or not enough. Decontaminate, so spelling here, N is missing. There should be decontaminate. N should be added here. Disinfect or sterilize. Deformity, change from normal shape. dehydrate, loss of water or need water, deltoid muscles, arm muscles, dementia, memory loss that get worse over time. Best example is Alzheimer's disease. Demyelinating disorders, nervous system disorders, for example, multiple sclerosis. Diagnosis, condition, discoloration, change in the color, drowsy, sleepy, dyspepsia, indigestion or also upper GI problems, upper digestive tract problems or heartburn. EKG, test for heart rate. Embolism, blood clot. Generally, it is moving blood clot. Encephalitis, swelling of brain. Enhance, improve. Epidemic, widespread sickness. Erythematous, red rash on the face. Escalate, get worse. Etiology, the cause of the disease. Exacerbate, make worse. Expectorate, spit or cough. Fatigue, tired or excessively tired. Febrile, feverish or caused by fever. Gastrointestinal, digestive system. Glaucoma, eye disease, increased eye pressure can lead to blindness. Hazard, harmful, hazardous or harmful substances. Hepatic, liver. Hallucinate, seeing or hearing that is not real. Hemodialysis, clearing blood by a machine. Hive, itchy swelling on the skin. Humidify, to moisten air. Hyperlipidemia, high cholesterol. Hypertension, high blood pressure. Immunity, the body's ability to keep from getting infections. Immunization, getting a vaccine. Immunosuppression, when your body cannot find disease. Increase, raise. In vitro, in a test tube or out of the body lab grown. In vivo, inside the body. Incision, cut. Inflammation, swelling or sore or redness. Influenza, another simple name for influenza is flu. Infusion, drugs directly injecting into the blood is an infusion. Inhale, breathe in. Inherit, acquire or get. Intravenous, into your vein. Irritant, bother. Jaundice, eye and skin turned yellow. Laceration, cut or tear. Malignant, cancer. Mitigate, make less harmful. Motor vehicle accident, car crash. Muscle contractions, muscle twitch. Myocardial infarction, heart attack. Narcotic, addictive pain medication. Neonate, newborn. Nephrology, study of kidneys. Nosocomial, infection catched at hospital or infections spread at hospitals. Obvious, easy to see. Occupational therapist, a professional who helps people who are sick and injured to relearn everyday's activities. orally, taken by mouth. Orthopedics, a bone and joint doctor. Osteonecrosis, bone death. Osteoporosis, brittle bones. Otitis media, middle ear infection. Outbreak, when large number of people suddenly get sick. Palatable, tasty. Papule, red dot on the skin. Paralysis, can't move. Parasite, animal or plant living off another animal or plant. Passive immunity, disease protection from mother or vaccine. Pathogenic, disease causing. Peak flow meter, a device that are used measuring how fast you can blow air. Perforation, hole in the body. Perinatal death, death before birth. Petechial, tiny red purple spot on the skin. Photosensitive, sun sensitive. Physical therapy, professional who treat pain and weakness by exercise, also known as physiotherapists. Pigmentation, color. Potency, strength. Prodromal, sign of disease or attack. Productive, a lot of phlegm. Proliferate, grow or spread. Psoriasis, scaly skin rash. Pulmonary, related to lung. Pulmonary fibrosis, scarring of the lung tissue. Quarantine, isolate. Radiating pain, shooting pain. Raynaud's syndrome, circulatory disease. Recombination, new gene combined or combination of two genes. Renal, kidneys. Respiration, breathing. Rotavirus, germ causing stomach flu. Rubella, German measles. Rubiola, measles. Sanitize, clean or wash. Serology, study of blood strength. Severity, how bad is that? Spasm, sudden strong muscle tightening or jerk. Spirometer, breathing test device. Suffocate, choke. Syndrome, set of sign for a sickness. Taper, reduce or lower. Teratogenic, drug that can affect baby before born in pregnancy. Transparent, clear or see-through. Tremor, shaking. Topically, on the skin. Urinate, pee. Urticaria, hive or itch. Variant, slight different, like variant of viruses. Vesicular, small bumps on the skin. Viral shedding, coughing or sneezing. Virulent, virulent is strong or dangerous. Vomit, throw up. Waning immunity, loss of resistance against disease. All right, with this information, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos or subscribe Pharmacy Prep channel at Pharmacy Prep YouTube or visit pharmacyprep.com. So all those appropriate vocabulary taken from the reference published at National Center for Health Marketing, CDC publication. Thank you.